Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Pune Apartment Listings. We will be highlighting a 4 BHK row house in Barnier today. This row house is a part of a project which has 21 row houses and amenities in the center. This is a typical 4 BHK row house floor plan. This is your peripheral garden area. This project has 21 row houses and one tower of 3 BHKs. Now this is your car parking space. As we enter, we come across the first portion, the living area. Now the living and dining is a combination of 22 into 11. So the first part at the entrance is your living section. Right ahead is your dining section. On the ground floor we will come across a living area, a chef's kitchen, dining area, a guest bedroom and a dry space outside. So these four features are on the ground floor. That is a complete living and dining space. Nice and large. The ceiling height is 12 feet. Since the construction is old, the ceiling height is always at the classic level. It's very beautiful, and that's a chef's kitchen. What you see is what you get. Now this is your island platform where you can serve the dishes. This particular project is under PMC limits. When I say under PMC limits, you have a 24/7 provision for water supply. This society has a MNGL gas pipeline connection. Optionally, you can also go for cylinder connection. There's a dry space. A beautiful small space is there for your backyard garden. You can redo this as per your taste. Now let's go and explore the guest bedroom that is on the ground floor. The chef's kitchen had the dimensions of 12 by 8 and this guest bedroom has a dimension of 12 by 11. So the current resident is using it as his office. So this can be your guest bedroom or again this can be your office space. Use it as per your need. This door takes you to the peripheral garden and the car parking space. Now the washroom is separate. The dimensions for this washroom are 5 by 7. So the current resident is using this washroom as a washroom as well as a dry space. So he has kept his washing machine here. This washing machine can be kept in the backyard dry space too. So use it as per your need. Now let's go ahead and see the first floor. The first floor has 3 bedrooms. This particular project is very close to DMart. So your daily grocery needs can be easily met. This is the first bedroom on the first floor or the second bedroom. This second bedroom has a dimension of 16 by 11. That's a big room size. And there's a terrace outside 11 by 12. What you see is what you get. The current resident has placed a king size bed here. So that's the terrace. Now this terrace connects 2 bedrooms on the first floor. You can have your evening coffees here. You can have a small parties with your friends. So it has a attached washroom, again 5 by 7 other dimensions. And this is the attached washroom 5 by 7. One can change the CP fittings and sanitary fittings upon buying this particular row house. The best advantage of buying this row house is very close to Hinjewadi IT Park, hardly 6 kilometers. So residents of Hinjewadi IT Park can always think of buying this particular row house. So right here is your third bedroom with a separate washroom. Again, size remains the same. This project is very close to Hinjewadi IT Park, Wakad, Balewadi and Bavdhan. It's a very central location and the highway is hardly 5 minutes drive from this particular project. So residents of Mumbai, residents of Thane who are looking for a home in West Pune, that too in Barnet, this is the ideal product for them. You can remodel the entire row house, you can live here happily. So we are in the third bedroom at the moment. This third bedroom has a dimension of 12 by 14. So quite a big room sizes you can come across. And let's go ahead explore the final bedroom. That is the fourth bedroom. This fourth bedroom is smaller This is 10 by 10. So this can be used as an office space or your small gym area into your own house. Now this room has a attached washroom, so that is a good part. The washroom size is 4 by 6. It's your alleyway. Since this row house is in Barnet, it will give you a major appreciation in coming years. Barnet is going to be the next Koregaon Park of West Pune. So having a row house here now will definitely give you higher rentals and higher resale value in future coming years. And let's go ahead explore the terrace area for this particular row house. This project has one amenities center, one clubhouse, and an open space for senior citizens to move around, which is centrally located in the entire project. Finally, we are on the rooftop terrace. This terrace is open from three sides. Please like and share this video with your friends and family members who are looking for a row house in Barnet especially. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Pune Apartment Listing. We keep broadcasting different resale options for you across regions in Pune. To inquire for this row house and for site visits, give us a call on the numbers in the description box below. We are available over a call and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.